Hey guys, today we're making homemade churros, crispy, golden, and unbelievably delicious. Crunchy on the outside, soft and fluffy on the inside. First, add the sugar, butter, salt, and water into a saucepan. Place it over medium heat and let everything slowly come together. Once the butter has fully melted and the mixture starts to boil, add all the flour at once. Turn off the heat and quickly mix everything until a smooth dough forms. Then place it back over low heat for a few minutes, until the extra moisture is gone and a thin layer forms at the bottom of the pan. Transfer the dough to another bowl and spread it out slightly so the excess heat and steam can escape. In the meantime, crack 3 eggs into a bowl and whisk them until completely smooth. Add the vanilla to the dough, then slowly add the eggs a little at a time. Keep mixing until the dough becomes smooth, glossy, and perfectly silky. The final texture shouldn't be too runny or too stiff. The dough should slowly fall from the spatula with a smooth, stretchy texture just like this. Use a deep star-shaped piping tip to create those beautiful classic churro ridges, then transfer the dough into a piping bag. If you're a beginner, pipe the churros onto parchment paper first, then freeze them for 30 minutes to make frying easier. Fill a pot with enough oil and heat it to around 180 degrees Celsius. The oil should be hot, but never smoking. Once the churros go in, you should see small, gentle bubbles forming around them. Each side needs about 2 minutes, until the churros turn beautifully golden and crispy. After frying, place the churros on paper towels to absorb the extra oil and keep them nice and crispy. Look how incredibly crispy these churros turned out. Just listen to that crunch. And now, let's make the delicious chocolate sauce. First, mix the cornstarch with water and set it aside. Now add the sugar, chocolate, and milk to a saucepan and place it over medium heat. Once the mixture starts to simmer, add the cornstarch mixture. Keep stirring over low heat until the sauce becomes smooth, glossy, and thick. Churros are usually served with cinnamon sugar, and the flavor is absolutely amazing. Just mix sugar and cinnamon together. While the churros are still warm, roll them in the cinnamon sugar until fully coated. This combination is seriously addictive, and churros taste their absolute best while they're still warm. served with a cup of coffee. It turns into the perfect cozy afternoon treat. Thanks so much for watching till the end. Make sure to try this recipe and let me know what you think in the comments.